Aha! Hey there, crafty amigos and amigas. My name's Steven, and I'm your community amigo. Today, we're going to be building a piece of production equipment called a rotating pedestal. Basically, it's just a giant spinning disc you can put colored paper on top of for spinning objects and filming them 360 degrees. So, let's go to the garage and get started. We're going to take this melamine board here, put it on top of this Lazy Susan, get that 360 degree rotation. Cool. Place the melamine board on the table, grab your chalk line, stretch it out, give that a snap. From the center point, draw a circle all the way around, then we'll hit it with our jigsaw. Woo! So we got that Lazy Susan from IKEA, it was $7.99, and that tempered hardboard we got from Home Depot for $6.49. 24 inches by 48 inches. Can't get any cheaper than that. If you try to find these at any sort of camera equipment store, you're gonna pay anywhere from $50 to $300. Online stores, for as cheap as $20, they're gonna be about this big. To be fair, some of them do have an automatic rotating feature. That smooth spin of the Lazy Susan is just gonna give you such a clean look. And you can spin it as fast or as slow as you want. And you can always speed or slow it down in post. Get your sandpaper.
60 grit.
We're gonna do some sanding. Get that edge all the way around, nice and smooth. Make sure you mark your center. Place the Lazy Susan perfectly center. Using some caulk, go ahead and make a circle around the whole thing. Using your finger, smooth that caulk out. Take our paper, roll it out, and use our scrap as a guide. We're going to grab some scissors and cut this circle out. Lay the circle flat on the bench and tape it down. Place some double-sided sticky tape all around and place that pedestal right on top of it. A rotating pedestal is perfect for showcasing your product, creating dynamic B-roll, or adding that professional touch to your content. Highlight intricate details of your tools or shimmering details of a gemstone. A rotating pedestal delivers continuous motion effortlessly, all while keeping your audience captivated with that smooth rotating motion.